Yes, my peeps, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my peeps. Yes, peeps. Well, a big day in the morning, my people are going to prepare some breakfast. I'm going to do some steamed callaloo, my people. Yes, my peeps, some steamed callaloo and some yam and banana, my people. Alright, but I'm going to mix my callaloo with some ackee, my people. I'm going to put no saltfish, no farmer meat, my people. Natural thing we are dealing with now, man. You understand? So before I go look the ackee them, my people, I'll just put this in the water over here. See it, my people? Yeah. We got it in the water to make it soak. Yeah, man. So I don't know. Stay tuned, my people. Yes, my peeps, so you see it? Run through the callaloo and take out them things, my people, you see it? Yes, my peeps, them things are not in your callaloo. That is the blossom. Yes, so you don't need the blossom in your callaloo. You take out them, my peeps. Take out the blossom, my people. Now stay tuned, my people. Now some see what I go on. See ackee over there, so my people. Yeah, man, the ackee there, so the flour there, so yam there, banana there. I don't know. Match up some breakfast. Yes, my people. So see ackee here. Yeah, man, I'll put the ackee in the pot to boil. See my people. People, so see greens. I'm on the greens well cut up and ready, my people. And the flour don't need it, you know, my peeps. But this is how I do the ackee. You understand, the people? It's in a plastic bag. You punch some hole in it. See it? And we have to drop it in the pot to boil, my people. See it? Yes, my people. So, I don't know, I'm going to need up the flour, you know. Yes, Jah, give thanks and praise, you know. Yes, Father. You know, everything we do in the people, you have to do it with God, you know. Yeah, man, if you don't do it with God, you're not going to reach nowhere. I swear. So I just say I bung some gospel in the morning, you know. Prepare a little breakfast. I don't know what the hours might run me up to, but you don't know. Breakfast cook. It is the greatest. Yeah, my peep. So I'm stay tuned, my peep. I need some flour. Yeah, man. Jamaican style is. You see it, my people? Yeah, man. This one I cook all in one pot, you see me? So you don't have to go and sit on the next water to boil the ackee. Just wash the ackee, put it in a plastic bag, and you just make your food. You just make your food and do it. You see it, my people? Yeah, man. Just put in your dumpling and whatsoever. Yeah. And I don't know. Make two caramel dumpling in paper. Prepare an early morning breakfast. See it? So I'm go on hang on my peep. I'm going to peel some yam after this. Banana, time my peep. Let's keep it like some banana. Get the cooking all up my feet. You don't get your hands stained, that's why I put the cooking oil in there. Yeah, my feet. Now let's see some banana. That's it. Now this is how we do the banana, huh? As usual, you know, the first video when I see me peel banana or peel yam. Yes, that's it. When I don't know, see callaloo ready as me say. Just I go and deal with the food pot first. Before I move along to the greens. Yes, that's it. Yes, people, I used to grow up in a church, you know. When I stick up on my video, I burn my ganja and I make that chop down and I don't know. Weed is the healing of the nation. Yeah. Marijuana is the healing of the nation. I swear. Yeah, so I stay true, my peep. If you don't stay true, you don't know what I'm moving on, man. I just run around there, man. So run, my people. Run. The banana are kind of small, so I have to take my time, my people. You see it? They're very small. I just the skin make it look like them big. Yeah, so I can't stay true now, my people. Good. Yeah. See my peeps are ackee and callaloo hot. Ready for eat.
Mami tying up muna kanina yan. Kami kamaya, kami nag-ibag kamaya. Kami na sa mga kachimit ito, parang watch na paano naman.
Make it through the breakfast. This is it, my people. So I'm gonna take a good look. Some red rose tea bag. There's a dumpling, there's the callaloo mix with the ackee, yam and the banana. Yes, my people. So you don't know, my people, it's just a quick thing. Yeah, just a quick thing, my people. So I don't know. One love. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share, my people. One love and blessing to you all.